Hey friends, if you wish to download and set up Roblox for Windows on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Search for the word Roblox. Okay, and then go to Roblox and then go to this Roblox application and click on install. So this will start installing the Roblox launcher, and once you have the Roblox launcher, then you can access its sub games and all. You do not need to download this from the website or any other through any other route, because if you do that, it may not install completely and it may show problems. The correct way to install any application on a Windows computer is to do it through the Microsoft Store. This is very important. And once it is done, just click on play and it will launch Roblox as it has done on my system here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.